Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm reviewing this wig sent to me by RiriHair. This is their 12-inch bob. I know the hair is Indian human hair, and I believe it's a 13x4 wig. So I'll be installing the wig during the video, and yeah, enough of me talking, let's just get right into it. So the wig does come with the knots already bleached, and it already comes pre-plucked as well, so that was great. All I did was already do the bald cap method off camera, and I just got right into installing it. I also really like the lace. It's nice and thin, and I didn't even need to put any foundation on it because it already matched my skin, so yeah. So I kind of messed up and forgot to bring my bold hold glue from the salon, and it was already too late, so I ended up doing this with the Got To Be gel. I wouldn't recommend this. If you do want to do it with Got To Be, I would recommend like the black bottle, not this yellow one, but I had to do it with the video, so just work with it. Also, I wouldn't recommend putting as much gel as I did. I thought this would dry down clear because this is what I usually do with the black bottle, but it didn't. Just put less of it and you'll be good. Now I'm just wrapping the silk scarf just to make sure that it is laid and all secure. Now, after cutting the lace off, I'm just going in and plucking wherever needs to be plucked and putting some foundation on the lace as well. And now for the baby hairs, I'm just doing them like how I do them usually. 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle, and then the sideburns as well. Now using some mousse, I'm gonna lay the edges and then wrap it with the silk scarf. And before I straighten the wig, I'm just taking some wax and using the hot comb to lay the roots down. And like usual, I am brushing out my edges. I like that look of like the fluffy edges, and then cutting them if it needs to be cut. And lastly, I'm just straightening the wig up a little bit, but it was really nice and straight, and the hair is so soft, like it really does move. And I think this is probably my favorite bob wig that I've tried. I don't know, the hair, something about the hair is just really nice and soft. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this install video, and I really do love this hair. It's just super soft and silky, and probably my favorite bob wig that I've tried before. So make sure you guys check out RiriHair, and if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.